Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kisangma ubadairu National President ke NPP harengkat usembut Menteri Rang Bak ubak Presiden Tensong mentara sengi ke arp naitrik unok prak kela yop dan Pdiang sengobha ya ubak Kimfa Marbaniang syaka parti NPP hak jengalang kabalalong hak snong rambrai. Hak ni kesini la yop dan Pdiang sengobha haru daki sepangut kinong buat bagi kinong kersan jong ubak Kimfa MLA ke rambrai jengam konstituensi. Lasaki lang yang kini kejing Pdiang sengobha ya ubak Kimfa dah kejing adalang Menteri Sarkar ubak senyau bahalang dhar ki MLA bakentup ya ka Dr. Ampri Lengdo ubak Mohendro Rapsang ubak Makmilan Bersat bajop pengrup bat kiwei-kiwei.
Di mapiu ba ubak pipa yang benong bah abang awan ban kili sepi syanong ini alai pi barok pi ong sya kai jong ke NPP kane kasi kelawan bangini rum bangini tristong barak jo kapor kadai kejing yi jingai jong kini ki rangba ki bai syong hadin jonga kejing yi jingai jong ki habang ilai pun kerpat ki kam ki paper ki sengap ki syashkor bat kumjuru ki pendap ya ke kam ke ba ki lakular kumbang akular pi ki pai ba ki la pendap ngiru ngila pendap bat piru pihak pendap te pai ba bara ngai ke jing play pi wei bat ka jing komen hak ni kasi ngene rung syaka ni kayeng bat ka jing komen bat ngene tristom namenta kene konstitusi bangin poi syaka thom.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this wonderful day that He has given to us and this blessing that He has given to each and every one of us, and especially to the National People's Party. I take this opportunity on behalf of the National People's Party to warmly and very proudly welcome Kimfa Marbaniang and all his leaders, all his supporters, and all his family members to the family of the National People's Party. This is indeed a very, very happy moment for all of us, where for a very long time we have been discussing with Kimfa and with Babanjob and the other leaders of the party about this very day when Kimfa and his followers and his leaders and entire family would be joining the National People's Party. So on behalf of the National People's Party and being the president at the national level, I warmly once again welcome Kimfa Marbaniang to the National People's Party. Let us give him a round of applause.